shop again, and I am so excited. I finally got a car in that is covered in bugs, and so I have been waiting to show you guys what my favorite game changer product is. So this is the Bug Off, and this is almost like a pre-emergent to get bugs off of the paint. So this is a pre-spray that you do right before you wash the car. So as you can see, this car just got back from a trip to Utah and has all those gnarly, nasty bugs on it. So gross. And I remember the time when I would spend hours scrubbing at the front of vehicles to get the bugs off, and it used to just be my most unfavorite process to do, and now this makes it so fun and I actually love it. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna put this on before we wash the car, and this is just a cleaner that helps soften those bug guts and things like that. As we know, when the bugs land on the car paint, they can eat through the finish within days. Literally days. And so a lot of times it will leave marks that look like water spots, or a lot of times they eat all the way through the paint, making it look like a rock chip, and it's actually holes in the paint. So we want to get these off, and this just makes it super easy. So we're going to go ahead and get started now. So I wanted to show you my favorite tools to use this with. So this is an IK sprayer. This is one of the old ones, but I find that this is a great tool for this. I know a lot of us like the new ones for some of the foaming and stuff, but I like this. So this is the IK multi, not the foamer. So I like to use it in this because what it does is it kind of makes the molecules explode in the Bug Off, and it makes it stick to the paint longer. So I like to use it in an IK. You can certainly use it in a spray bottle as well. Then I use it with the Jersey Bug Scrubber from the Rag Company. So this has the microfiber side and then that bug scrubber side, which makes such a huge difference. So I'm gonna throw that in my bucket of water and get that soaking. So this is already pumped up. So all I do is just spray down the entire front of the car, and we're gonna wanna leave this sitting for about a minute or two. But you can see it makes all those little bubbles, and they just stick there and start eating away those bug guts right away. All right, just give it a second there. You can see it starts working right away. All right, and then I'm just gonna come in here, and as you can see, these literally just scrub right off. It's crazy how fast and easy this makes getting these bugs off. And I like this Jersey Bug Scrubber because it can kind of fit in all these cracks in the grills and get all those bugs out. All right, so I will show you how that literally just got all those bugs off, and now the car is just ready to wash like normal. So I'm gonna keep getting the bugs off the front of this. Okay, and real quick, I wanna show you how I use it on glass. So you can see totally covered to all the glass. I personally don't like to spray any chemicals directly on the glass. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna use my wet and Jersey Bug Scrubber and just put the product right there. And then I'll just kind of coat it, and then I'll usually let it sit for just a minute just to soften those bugs up. Just like that. So I'll let the bubbles sit there for a second, and then you can kind of go in with some force to get those bugs off. And they come off super easy. You guys will be able to see that that got all of those off. So cool. Yeah. All right, guys, so we are all finished washing the car. We got all the bugs off. It's all shiny and clean now. And so just to recap, We used the bug off today. We did a pre-spray and then washed the car like normal, and we used our Jersey bug scrubber, which is my favorite tool. So now we are set to go, and I hope that helped you guys out, and we will see you next time.